Hello dear children of class 6 and welcome to yet another online class of geography. I hope you all are safe and sound in your homes and you all are following every precautionary measure required to protect oneself from the pandemic of coronavirus, right? I also hope that you have been going through the videos provided for geography and you have been learning them well. Children, today in order to supplement our conclusion of the chapter which we did with the last video, I'll be providing you the photo clips of the chapter which you can go through, right? And if you remember, last time I also gave you the homework of doing exercise A in the copy itself. So from today onwards, we will be going through each exercise and looking at the answers, the requisite answers. It will help you with correcting your work at home itself. So let's look at it. Let's look at your exercise A. So exercise A was choose the correct answer. Now I'll read the question out. Then we will write the clues on the board and I'll help you with choosing the correct answer. Number 1. Which of these is shown by a thematic map? The clues are number 1, mountains. Number 2, rivers. Number 3, climate. And number 4, state capitals. State capitals. So children, the question talks about thematic map, and if you remember, the thematic maps are the map which provide very specific information, specified information, and in this case the thematic map provides information on climate. Your correct answer is climate. Then comes number 2. These maps are useful to surveyors, people who take survey, people who go around and try to find information about the area, and civil engineers engaged in building roads, bridges, canals and other structure. Now this map particularly helps surveyors and civil engineers, and the clues given are 1, physical. 2, political. 3, topographic. And 4, thematic. Now children, out of all these maps, if you only remember their definitions, if you go through the definitions, you will remember topographic map is the map which gives total information about a particular area. So obviously this kind of map will be useful for surveyors as well as civil engineers. So for number 2, your answer is topographic map. Now let's look at number 3. It is a true model of the earth. Okay, one of the very easy questions. The clues are 1, sketch. 2, maps. 3, globe. And 4, plan. Now obviously this question is solved. This question is solved as soon as the question was read out, right? True model of the earth, as we have been learning it since the beginning. Globe. Globe is the true model of the earth, a three-dimensional model, a 3D model. So let's move to number 4. Okay. This is a rough drawing showing the relative location of few features of an area. It shows in particular the landmarks. Few features of the area means the landmarks of the particular area. So your clues are: 1. Globe. 2. Map. 3. Sketch. And 4. Plan. Now if you remember, out of this all representations given, only one is there which is a rough drawing, which is drawn without any scale, and that in particular is our answer, and that one is sketch. That one is sketch. Now let's move on to number 5. This is a drawing that shows the horizontal section of a small area drawn to scale. Okay, it shows a horizontal section, flat section of a small area, and it is always drawn to a scale, means it is always drawn as per a proper predefined measurement. So the clues to this are: sketch, plan, map, globe. Showing small area and always drawn to a scale. Your two particular clues which will get you to the answer, which is plan. And now the last one here, number 6. These are taken from space and show that the earth is spherical in shape. These particular photographs are taken from space and they show that earth is not a perfect circle, not square, but spherical in shape. And the clues are: 1. Graphs. 2. Plans. 3. Aerial photographs. Aerial photographs. And number 4, sketches. Now you should be able to conclude your answer very easily by the very fact in the question that it is taken from space, and your answer is aerial photographs. So let's go through each of the answers once again. Your answer for number 1 is climate. Your answer for number 2 is topographic. Answer for number 3, globe. Number 4, sketch. Number 5, plan. And number 6, aerial photographs. This concludes the reference work for the exercise which I gave you as homework. Now dear children, I am going to divide this particular exercise section of the video into several parts. All right, in each part we'll be solving one exercise and we'll be discussing also about it in detail, and that should help you with doing your exercise with minimum to no mistake. Okay, so you will look at this and you'll go through the video and you'll do all the correction work. In the video that follows, we will be going to exercise number 2. Thank you very much.